Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley, and we're out here in Pensacola, and as you know, the Panhandle is basically the termite capital of the world. So if you run into termites or you wood rot, give us a shout at 776-5009. Let me show you what we have going on. Now, termites are attracted to moisture, and you're going to see here, if you look up and down, you can see this moisture on these nail patterns. Now what's happened here is we had some brush. Brush was being slapped up against the walls here. Or not brush, excuse me, the sprinklers were spraying against the walls. It's going to attract moisture, which is going to attract termites. That's where they always come from. We have a couple issues here though. If you look at the stone down here, it's actually ran below earth. We don't want that. This needs to be about 6 inches to 8 inches above the earth, and that way when water comes down, there's a drip screed, and then it goes out and then to the earth. Right now, the stone's running below the grade, and the water is just wicking up, wicking up, wicking up. So the builder flashed it properly on his siding. It came down here. We'd like to see some peel and seal on the flange onto the deck, but it came down, it hit here, and then it rolled out. That's great. Good job on flashing it. You did one thing wrong. You ran your stone all the way to the earth, and now we've got termites because they decided to come rolling up through the stone. So you'll see right here on the corners, this is all disintegrated. You can pull it apart. It's all the way down here. It's going to be up there in the corner because you can see the tracks from the termites. And then as we come over here, again, beautiful flashing job, improper stone installation, and now we're going to have termites. So we're going to see how bad it goes. We're going to do some discovery. Hopefully we don't have to tear out the inside, but if we do, it's what we do. So if you have an issue like this, give us a call, 776-5009, facebook.com, Addison Riley LLC, or addisonriley.com.